know. I never got a good look.
I heard he's scarred from wild magic.
Amity!
Hola, Batata.
Did you just call me a sweet potato?
Yes, is that not a term of endearment? I'm still figuring out this human language book from Gus.
Aw, Amity. You're the sweet potato.
So, did that Titan blood ever come in handy? Did you finish building the door?
Did you visit your mom? Does she know about high fives, too?
Oh,
You'll stay with me, and you'll never go back to that place.
Mom, it's not you. It never was. Please. Okay, Mom. I promise.
I haven't used the door yet. I'm waiting for a good moment, you know? Later, taters.
Huh?